If you're looking to import and export Descript files efficiently, this video will walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Descript makes editing videos and audio easier, and managing your files within it is a crucial part of working effectively. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to make sure you're using Descript to its full potential, this guide is for you. First, let's talk about importing files. When you're starting a new project in Descript, you want to bring in your media files, whether that's audio, video, or transcripts. To import, just click on the Project tab, then select Import Media. From there, you can select files from your local computer, Dropbox, or even Google Drive. If you're importing a transcript, Descript also lets you bring that in directly. Simply upload your file, and Descript will automatically align it with your video or audio for easy editing. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Descript interface, which speeds up the process if you prefer to skip the file dialog box. Once your files are imported, Descript instantly analyzes them, transcribes them if needed, and presents a timeline for video or audio editing. Now, let's move on to exporting your files. When you're done editing your Descript project, exporting is simple. Hit the Export button in the top right corner of your project window. Here, you'll get a few options depending on the format you need. You can export as an audio file, video, or even just a text file if that's all you need. One of the neat things about Descript is the flexibility in export options. For video exports, you can choose between high-quality resolutions, and for audio, you have different file formats to select from like MP3 or WAV. If you need a transcript or captions, Descript can generate those for you automatically during export. These are great for accessibility and SEO purposes. In case you need to share your project with others, Descript allows you to export a project file that someone else can open and continue editing. This is great for collaborative projects. Make sure to choose the Descript project file option when exporting if you're sending the project to someone else for further work. Once you've chosen your export settings, hit Export and Descript will process the file. Depending on the file size, this might take a few seconds to a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll be able to download the file directly to your device. If you're new to Descript, it might take a little while to get used to the process. But once you're familiar with importing and exporting Descript files, it becomes second nature. And keep in mind, this is just a quick guide to get you started, so there's a lot more to explore once you're comfortable with these basics. If you're interested in trying Descript yourself, make sure to check the first link below for an exclusive extended free trial of Descript. It's a great way to experience all of its powerful features without any commitments. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your Descript projects more efficient than ever.